Once a priest was invited to a king's palace. When priest was done with prayer, king honored him with gifts and asked, "Can you tell me where God lives, which way he looks, and what can he do?" Hearing king's question, priest was taken aback and replied, "O king, give me some time to answer this question." King gave priest a month's time. Priest returned home and started to think about the answers. With passing time, priest started to get worried as he couldn't think of a way to answer king's question. Seeing him worried, his son asked him the reason for his concern. Priest told him about king's question. Listening to it, his son said, "Father, don't worry, I will answer. Take me with you." When month was over, priest went to the palace with his son and said, "O king, my son will answer to your questions." King asked the same question to the priest's son. "Tell me, where does God live? Which way he looks? And what can he do?" Priest's son said to the king, "O king, I will answer this, but first I need a glass of milk." King ordered his servant to bring a glass of milk for that boy. Boy took the glass of milk and put his finger in the milk and started moving it again and again inside the milk. Seeing this, king asked, "What are you doing?" Boy replied, "I hear there is butter in milk. I am looking for butter in this milk, but there is no butter here." King replied, "Of course, milk contains butter, but it doesn't look like this. First, milk is made into curd, and then curd is churned to obtain butter." Priest's son said, "O king, this is the answer to your first question. Just as milk gets curdled and then we get butter after churning that curdled milk, similarly, God exists in every living being, but to know them, true devotion is required." King was pleased with this answer and asked him, "Now answer my second question. Where does God look?" Child said, "I will answer this, but for that I need a candle." King immediately asked the servant to bring a candle and give it to that boy. Boy lighted the candle and asked the king, "O king, tell me, which side is light of this candle on?" King replied, "Its light is uniform in all the directions." Then boy said, "This is the answer to your second question. Because God is omnipotent, he looks equally towards actions of each and every living being." Now he became more eager to know the answer of the third question. King asked, "Answer my last question. What can God do?" Boy said, "O king, I will answer this, but for this I have to come to your place and you will have to come to my place." King hesitated a bit, but he was anxious to know the answer, so he gave his consent. Now boy came up and sat on king's throne, and king went to sit at the boy's place. Sitting on king's throne, boy said, "O king, this is the answer to your last question. You asked, what can God do? God can make a poor like me to sit on king's throne and king like you to sit at the place of a poor. God can make a beggar a king and turn a king into a beggar in an instant." King was extremely pleased with the answer of that priest's son and he made him his royal advisor. God resides in every heart of every living being. If you trust and have faith in God, He will show you the right path. Every being worship God to get connected with the power inside him. God is divine. We all believe that there is some invisible divine energies around us, which we call as God. Faith in God gives us courage to fight against all the odds in life, gives strength to stand strong during testing times, and also God provides us positive energy and mindfulness to be active and content with our lives. Hard times come in everyone's life to give us some lessons which helps us to lead our life with faith and courage and tackle all the situations in life. God is within us. The only difference is some people recognizes the power within us and some don't. The power is God's positive energy. There is an old saying, faith can move mountains. With faith, we can achieve anything and everything in this world. There is nothing impossible. So have faith, keep your hopes high, have patience, keep working hard for your goals, and believe in yourself. Believe in the supreme power that everything will come to you at the right time. No need to go anywhere in search of God. God, the higher power, positivity, everything is within us. Remember, guys, with faith in our heart and believe on ourselves, we can achieve anything in this world. And God is always with them who works hard and have a strong determination to achieve their own goals. So, how was the story, guys? Do comment below your thoughts. We'll be really happy reading all your comments. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe, and also press the bell icon to stay tuned with Inspiring Comrade for more such inspiring stories. Till then, bye bye, good day, good luck, and stay blessed.